Intensifiers and modifiers are special words in English that make adjectives stronger. Words like very, really, extremely, and quite help show how much or how strong something is. These words go before adjectives to give more feeling and emphasis to what we say. Intensifiers are adverbs that strengthen adjectives. Very, really, extremely, and quite are the four main intensifiers beginners should learn first. They help express different levels of intensity when describing people, things, or feelings. Here are simple examples of intensifiers with adjectives. Very happy means more happy than just happy. Really tired shows strong tiredness. Extremely difficult means the most difficult level. Quite interesting means somewhat interesting, but not too much. Intensifiers work the same way in full sentences. She is very happy uses very to show strong happiness. I'm really tired uses really for strong tiredness. This is extremely difficult shows maximum difficulty. The movie was quite good means fairly good. Each intensifier has different strength. Quite is mild, it means a little. Very is medium strength, really shows strong feeling. Extremely means maximum intensity, the strongest possible. Choose the right strength for what you want to express. Adjectives have three forms: positive, comparative, and superlative. Positive is the basic form like loud, fast, happy. Comparative compares two things, louder than, faster than. Superlative shows the most loudest, fastest, happiest of all. Intensifiers work with all three adjective forms. Very tall is positive with intensifier. Taller than compares to using comparative form. Tallest ever uses superlative for maximum. The same pattern works with all adjectives intensifier plus any comparison form. Adverbs also have comparison forms but follow different rules. Quickly becomes more quickly than most quickly. Carefully becomes more carefully than most carefully. Well is irregular, it becomes better than best. Long adverbs add more and most. Practice choosing the right intensifier. This book is blank interesting, use very, quite, or extremely. She runs blank fast, try really or very. He is blank tired needs really or extremely. The test was blank difficult quite works here too.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.